Hello children, I welcome you all to my history class. Today I will start with the part 3 of the explanation for Milestone History, Chapter 3, First Farmers and Herders. This is Priyanka Sanyal from TIGPS Siliguri. So children, let us start with the video. So in today's lesson, we will look at the Neolithic age artifacts, that is pottery. We will also look at the Neolithic building activities. We will also see the invention of wheel. Now, first of all, we will see about or discuss about the Neolithic age artifacts, that is about the pottery. Now at first, baskets were woven from wild grass. So wild grass were taken and baskets were made out of it. But it slowly changed and later these were plastered with wet clay to make them more useful. Since fire had been discovered, clay pots were baked and used to store food, even liquids also. So basically, the pottery was a very important part of the Neolithic age people because they were based on agriculture. And in order to store the food grains or in order to store the food, they needed lots of pottery to make and to hold or to store the food materials. So they started making clay pots and baked it in the fire oven. So not only after the pots were made, not only they could store the food but also even store liquids also. Let us move to the Neolithic building activities. Now, building was another area in which Neolithic people made remarkable progress. They used mud bricks to construct houses. Here you can see the picture of the mud bricks, and with the help of this mud bricks, the Neolithic people used to build their houses. Neolithic house in Katl Hayuk, which is in West Asia. This is the Katl Hayuk ruins, and here the Neolithic house you can get the imprints of the Neolithic house, which is in Katl Hayuk, West Asia. Now, not only houses, Neolithic tombs were also very important. They also built tombs to bury dead. Many such tombs still exist. For example, the Neolithic tomb in Ireland. Here you can see the picture of the Neolithic tomb which is in Ireland. Before also I have told you that Neolithic man built mud houses out of mud bricks and with thatched roofs. Now, here is the blueprint or the imprint of inside how the Neolithic people used to live inside and how many rooms were there, where they used to store the food and where they used to bury the dead. And here you can see the above picture. The inhabitants might use the upper floor to store crops such as wheat and apples. Many houses, including a shrine, it was decorated with bull's horns and sometimes wall paintings. A burial often lay sheltered beneath the shine floor. Food was prepared in a small clay oven or over a hearth. So there was a kitchen room also during that time in the Neolithic period inside the house or inside the mud house of the people. Now let us move to the next slide. Now, invention of wheel. The invention of the wheel was perhaps in the late Neolithic age. It is likely that it happened along with other technological advances that gave rise to the early Bronze Age. So here you can see the Neolithic wheel, the wheel evolution, that present day wheel, and we can see the wheel in the Stone Age period, the wheel made out of stone. So slowly the process or the making of the wheel in different materials was changed. So here you can see in the picture. The Neolithic revolution with the further technological advancement where you will see that how the wheels were used in which purposes. So wheeled vehicles saves labor, allows transport of large loads and enhances trade. Even the wheels was used for pottery, that is the potter's wheel, which allows the construction of more durable clay vessels and artwork. Even wheels were used for irrigation and driven plows, allows further increase of food production and encourages crop growth. So here you can see in the picture that wheels was used for different purposes. So the invention of wheel was very, very important during the Neolithic period. So children, I hope you have understood the video. Hope you have cleared your concept regarding the invention of wheel, regarding the advancement of the building materials, and of course about the skill of pottery in the Neolithic period. So thank you children. Stay safe and stay well.